Hello students, welcome back. Students, in previous session we learned how things change with the passage of time. Today we will learn about modern houses, seeing new things. Kids, now Neela Bhai is 80 years old. He saw many changes in his life. Let us read further about his story. My grandson is now living separately and built his new house. He has to go for shopping in the city. There, the buildings are very huge. Students, look around your surroundings. What types of buildings you see mostly in your city? Yes, multi-storied buildings. Neela Bhai was amazed to see these types of buildings. Many kind of facilities are found there. He is the son of a new generation. He built house with the facilities like toilets, kitchen, etc., which we find difficult to build up. Students, look at this kitchen. This is a kitchen with modern furnishing and equipments. Look at this bathroom, fancy tiles and bathing accessories are installed in it. Isn't it beautiful? Neela Bhai's grandson has used this type of fancy tiles in his house. Now let us read further. Few years ago, Lakha renovated the toilet and bathroom. He used colored tiles in his bathroom. Imagine spending so much money for a place to have a bath. I am now 80 years old. In all these years, I have seen so many changes, even in my own house. I don't know where my grandchildren will want to live and how their house will be. What are the houses like in Aliar's Tando village today? And I also think that where would my all friends be now? Students, Neela Bhai saw different types of houses in his life. The material used to build that houses were also different. Here you can see the different types of houses Neela Bhai lived in his lifetime. Tent, hut or kacha house, pakka house and multi-storied buildings. So with the time, houses also changed. Kids, can you imagine what type of houses you will live in future and what type of materials will be used? Look at the pictures. These are the imaginary buildings of future. You can live in a flying house or a house on water or in the sky. You can imagine more about future houses. Children, have you ever visited a construction site? Yes. Have you seen people working there? Many people work to make a building. Let us learn about them. A mason is a person who builds a building with bricks, cement, and sand. Many other workers also help him in constructing a building. Tools used by mason are different types of trowels and hammers. Students, can you recognize the person? Yes, carpenter. Carpenter is a person who makes wooden materials like doors, windows, and furniture. Tools used by carpenter are hammer, handsaw, and chisels, screws, nails, nut bolts, and measuring tape. Look at the picture. What is this person doing? Yes, he is fitting a pipe. He is a plumber. A plumber is a person who fits and repairs pipes and taps. Tools used by the plumber are wrench, spanner, and pipe cutter. Children, should we touch the electric wires? No, it is the work of electrician. An electrician is a person who fits electric wires and appliances. Tools used by electrician are pliers, screwdriver, and wire cutter. Students, I hope now you can recognize the tools used by these workers easily. Paste or draw pictures of these tools with names in your notebook. Now, home assignment. Write name of any two tools that are used by following persons: mason, electrician, plumber, carpenter. Students, we have completed chapter 12, Changing Times. In this chapter, we learn that things change with time. Read the chapter thoroughly for better understanding. Bye bye.